再来看澳洲真出名的邦代海边啊，昨办一场犹太公民节活动，所发生庆案。路透社的报道是指出讲，已经有10来人死亡，有40外人受伤。警方指出讲，有2个枪手应该是爸仔囝，这爸爸已经互警方断示了，后生是搁伫病院抢救。有真侪国家领导人嘛将对这件庆案来表示谴责。
原本6日犹太节节公民节庆祝活动伫澳洲雪梨有名邦大海埔，今天嘛变调，连续庆声拍破节节气氛，现场民众是真惊吓。警方统计，迄时阵差不多1000人参加，庆声连续差不多10分钟，数百人惊吓逃走，拢米入去沙坡、走路或者是复原建筑物内底避难。
It's kind of like I don't know, fish in a barrel. Like the guy had I think of what I've been told, he had an automatic rifle, big gun, standing on the bridge.
Everyone was just running, and there were bullets, and there were so many of them, and we were really scared.
警方验判2个涉案的凶手是爸仔关系，50岁老爸已经互关警断示，24岁后生要伫病院抢救，该事件死亡人数要伫千元。
It's very sad duty this morning to report that 16 people have been confirmed as being killed, 15 innocent people and 1 perpetrator.
这场针对犹太社会攻击发生在公民节期间，也是以哈战争为2023年10月爆发以来，澳洲境内反犹太事件上严重的一件。但是发生了后，真济个领袖拢谴责甲声援，总统赖清德发文，除了向罹难者致上上深切的哀悼，也表示台湾强烈谴责一切恐怖主义行为，搁伫这艰难的时期，甲澳洲人民甲犹太社群徛做伙。以色列总理纳坦雅胡也发声回应。
Anti-Semitism is a cancer. It spreads when leaders stay silent. It retreats when leaders act.
We will do whatever is necessary to stamp out anti-Semitism. It is a scourge, and we will eradicate it together.
警方表示，复活节热心的10个人无顾家己的安危，为向手头大庆，才互更较侪人用活落来。代志发生了后，各地民众主动举行职工周暝，为伤者来祈祷，也为这件代志来反思。记者综合报道。